Hello everyone, here's Joseph from Rich Package. We are specialized in packaging design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you flower pot tray. Look at here. It is made by wet glass from bamboo pulp, which is molded in this shape. Look at its surface. It is smooth and inside it has mesh texture. Compared with silicon pulp, the bamboo pulp it will be a little rough. In addition, there is a groove to press the product, and it has a good holding effect on the product, including the shape of the product on this tray, which is pressed by almost 2. It doesn't need to extra cost to make, and all products have their origin, their addition, their emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting countermeasure can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled, showing us the concept of environmental protection. The most important thing